Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to open external product in new tab using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. So this is our external product, affiliate product. So when we click on buy on Amazon, it's open in same tab. So we are going to open a new tab. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write external product new tab for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. Go to product page again. Refresh the page. So now click on buy on Amazon. So click on it. Now you see it's open a new tab by using plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.